Good morning guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're taking out Frankie for the second time, and this time we're on our way to the Brecon Beacons for a week. So yeah, we'll see you at the campsite.
Can you tell me where to start? I need someone to empty this heart.
So we have just arrived at our camp spot for the night with some stunning views. We're just about 2 miles out of, how do you say it, Kate? Murfrettidville. Yeah, so we've set up our chairs, we're gonna just have a bit of lunch and then just maybe chill for the rest of the day and just look at this wonderful view.
Any direction now.
So we've just come for a evening stroll before we have dinner, and we've been met by this beautiful reservoir which isn't far from our campsite. I'll put a name across the bottom because I can't remember what the reservoir's called, but it's absolutely stunning and it's not raining, so we're really happy. So yeah, let's take a look at this reservoir.
Would help. Let me give you a piece of advice, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Under bridges and heavy rocks, we keep on dancing. Yes, we've traveled far, seen so many dogs.
So we just got back from that beautiful walk at the reservoir. Kate's cooked us a lovely dinner of egg fried rice. So we'll eat this and then chill out for the evening, and we'll catch up with you in the morning. Good morning guys, and welcome to another beautiful morning here in the Brecon Beacons. Got our breakfast, coffee's on its way, and then we're going to hit the road. So we've just arrived at an owl sanctuary. It's free to enter, but there is a donation which we are going to give. So let's go see what birds we can find.
But now I need to get some rest, nevertheless a caress. So let me give you a part of myself, she said.
So that was a very brief visit to the owl park. You're probably wondering why they're all in cage. They're all rescued and they all can't be released back into the wild, so they're there to look after them. So it is worth going for a quick visit and a quick donation to help them out. I'll put a link in the description below of what the owl sanctuary is called. So on to the next bit of fun for today. Where are we going?
No.
We'll let that one out then.
And then Victoria.
So we're going to just drive, no plan really, and just find somewhere nice to park up in the Brecon Beacons. So this could go really well, could go really bad. So we'll see where we end up.
Ain't bolder and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Yes, everything changes, and so must we. Just stay true to what you believe in.
Good morning guys, and this morning we're on the full Waterfalls walk. It's supposed to be a stunning walk. It's about 4.5 or 5 miles, so it's a beautiful day, so let's get to it.
When the nightingale sings, you should spread your wings. Take off and start anew. What if I don't want to? But larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. 'Cause everything changes and so must we. Just stay true to what you believe in. To what you believe in. 'Cause larger ain't bolder and wiser.
So this is waterfall number 4, and it's definitely safe to best till last.
To what you believe in. To what you believe in.
So that was the full waterfalls walk, and the best thing about living in a van is that you can just come back and just chill out. So we'll see you in a bit. So guys, that's the end of this week's episode. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, comment and share. Also, if you want to see more from us, subscribe to our channel to see more from the Brecon Beacons. And as always, we'll catch you in the next adventure.